Sammy, y'all, Dominoes 7 here. Okay, you know something? I've been listening to a lot of stuff lately. You know, watching YouTube videos and stuff like that. I mean, I've been watching diss videos like crazy. Just like watching what I was talking about. Oh yeah, in 2008 when Soulja Boy dissed Ice-T. You know what I'm saying? Talking about he old and all that. You know? Okay. I mean, I just finished watching Spice One video. Okay, I'll go back to that. Okay, in 2008 when Spice One dissed Soulja Boy. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so when he dissed Soulja Boy, I was like, wow, okay. So Spice One did say he don't hate on nobody because he don't know who listens to his music, because Soulja Boy could be a fan though. Well, technically, this is not about Soulja Boy. This about Kodak Black, okay? Rest in peace to Nipsey Hussle, okay? But you know what? I want to let y'all know something, y'all. I don't know if y'all gonna hate me for this or what, you know. I've never known Nipsey Hussle, you know what I'm saying? But I heard a lot of positive things about him. I don't know him, you know. Never heard his music or nothing, you know. So all I heard about him is doing positive stuff, you know what I'm saying? I mean, positive stuff. And then I also heard he was owning some kind of business or something like that, you know. I mean, for somebody to take his life like that, I don't understand. And Kodak Black crazy ass, what the fuck he was thinking about, you know? Disrespecting Nipsey Hussle and all that, you know? Spice One say fuck him, you know? I don't know what T.I. said, you know? Okay? But I don't know Kodak Black either, you know? I don't listen to his music, never heard of him, you know? But for him to disrespect somebody that's deceased like that, it's just like what happened when Funkmaster Flex disrespect Tupac, and Tupac is deceased, you know? Golly, you know? I mean, people is hating like nobody business, you know? Black on black crimes and all that. Well, some people would expect white supremacists to be like that, you know? But technically, it's your own kind too, you know, your own race, you know. So anyway, anything Spice One saying, I agree with him on that though, you know. I mean, Spice One is awesome. I still got his CDs though. 187 he wrote, America's Nightmare, 1996, immortalized the Black Bossolini, you know. I mean, Spice One is awesome, you know, because I always respect Spice One, you know. I know some of y'all folks that been listening to legendary rappers. I respect them all, you know. Mellow Man Ace, Be Real from Cypress Hill, I think. Yeah. And who else though? Juvenile, BG. Rest in peace to Biggie Smalls, Notorious B.I.G. Well, I normally say Notorious Big, you know. I don't just say Notorious B.I.G. I mostly say Notorious Big, you know. Rest in peace to him, and who else? Dr. Dre, you know. NWA, you know. Rest in peace to Eazy-E, you know. But you know what, Kodak Black, I don't know him that much, you know. I only heard of him from last year, you know. So anyway, I mean, Kodak Black, I don't understand why the hell he would disrespect Nipsey Hussle like that after he got killed or whatnot, and talking about he won't get with his girlfriend Lauren London. That's her name? Yeah. I'm like, God damn, what I don't understand though. I mean, let me tell y'all something. I'm a person with a good heart. I'll be like, if I say to the girl, if your boyfriend dies, I can't replace him. You know, I really can't because you know, I'll be like, I don't want to replace nobody that's deceased. You know, I really don't want to do that. I can't do nothing like that. You know. But you know what? I mean, for somebody to diss Nipsey Hussle and bash him like that, you know. And you know, I just heard somebody say that I don't know if the police or something. I don't know who said that Nipsey Hussle used to be a gangbanger. I ain't hear about that. You know, that's a lie to my knowledge. You know, I mean, all I know is he had a business. You know, that's all I know. And he started rapping and had a mixtape. I never heard his mixtape. I ain't heard no song about him. You know, okay. I mean, I think about 2 weeks before he died, I heard of him, you know, but truthfully, I don't know him though. I never knew him. I never known Kodak Black, but the thing is, he lost his mind though. I mean, I wonder who agree with me on that, you know. All right, so this just like when somebody want to take up for the bad person, just like somebody comment on my video saying leave that dude alone that drove the motorcycle in a New Iberia Walmart and stuff like that. You know, that was wrong though. All right, anything I hate is for somebody to take up for the bad guy. You know, I may be disabled and all that, but I'm not damn stupid. Okay, all right. Okay, so like I said, if anybody has something negative to say, you want to tell somebody to shut up or whatever, stop watching my damn video and I'ma block you. Okay, all right. If anybody has something negative to say about Nipsey Hussle, you gonna be blocked too. Anything negative or bad to say about him, you gonna be blocked. Okay. Cause like I say, I don't like anybody talking bad about a person like that, especially if they're deceased, and also trying to do something positive in the community or whatever, you know. All right. So like Spice once said, it's like another Tupac death or whatever. Well, I disagree. No, I don't disagree with him. I meant to say I agree with him on that part. Well, it's just like a not only a Pac thing, it's like a Biggie thing too. You know, it's just like somebody killing Pac all over again, or killing Jam Master Jay. How many of y'all remember Jam Master Jay? All right, wait a minute, hold up. Before I say anything, Spice One, I agree with you, okay? But I don't want you to take it the wrong way and say that I disagree with you though. You know, because I'm a fan of your Spice. You know, Spice One, I'm a fan of you, man. You make some good songs, bro. Okay, I mean, sir, I'm sorry, man. All right, so anyway, if y'all like Spice One, please don't watch my video. Okay, all right, cause I respect anybody that likes Spice One, you know. So when I was a child, when I first heard of Spice One, I thought his name was Space One, you know. I was a child, you know. I think I was about 7 years old or 8 years old when I first heard of Spice One, you know. And I heard of Spice One around the same time I heard of Too Short, you know. The first time I heard of Too Short was the first time I heard about Spice One. Well, I'll put it like this. I heard of Too Short and Spice One on the same day, okay? When I first heard of Spice One was the first time I heard of MC8 too, okay? All right, I heard it all three of them at the same time, and especially Scarface, you know. Scarface was another one. Okay, first I heard of Spice One, then Too Short, then MC8, then Scarface, you know, when he came out that song Let Me Roll and stuff like that. But I had no idea that he was part of the Ghetto Boys at that time until I grew up and understood, you know. All right. So anyway, back to Kodak Black, you know. I mean, I don't know. I mean, a fella from that Vice show is calling Kodak Black an idiot, you know, which he probably is, you know. talking about he won't get with Nipsey's girlfriend or whatever. You know, I want to say to him, if I so happen to see him in person, I'd be like, man, she don't want you. You know, I'm like, she grieving over the loss of her fiance. You know, come on now. That is totally disrespectful to talk about somebody like that. You know, golly. But some of you people that's belly rubbers, you know, people that take up for the bad guy and say that the good guy is wrong, that's a belly rubber or a moron. You know, belly rubber. What I mean by belly rubber, I got that from Steve Wilkos. You know, Steve Wilkos would say something like that. You know, okay. So as far as Steve Wilkos, I respect him too. Okay. So anybody that take up for Kodak Black is a belly rubber. You know, despicable belly rubber. Okay. So that's kind of my definition of moron. You know, knucklehead. You know. So anybody that take up for Kodak Black and stuff like that, you know, if he's wrong, but you know, I don't take up for nobody if they're wrong. You know what I'm saying? Okay, but technically, I agree with T.I. though. T.I. is awesome. You know what I'm saying? T.I. is awesome, and whoever else, and Snoop Dogg. I wonder if Snoop just Kodak Black for that. So I mean, the young folks is you know. I'm like people that be belly rubbers and stuff like that. I'm like, state the facts, you know. Facts is, when you disrespect somebody like that, I mean, while they deceased, all right. I'm like, come on, man. The man is dead, bro. Don't disrespect his girl like that, you know. So, I mean, I must say though, I never known Nipsey Hussle at all. I ain't even know he was a rapper or whatnot. The first time I heard of him was like a month or two ago, you know. Okay, so anyway, that's it for now. Okay, all right. So I mean, I want to let y'all know something. If you're a moron or a belly rubber or a knucklehead, I'm gonna block you, okay? Because I don't need nobody taking up for somebody disrespecting the day like that, you know. All right. So that's all I gotta say. All right. Bye.